Galing.
$350. Wow. $360.
Ayun nga, mama.
Wala ba tubig sa akin? $370.
Let's go, sis.
$380. Alright, we're gonna jump to the $400.
Wow! Nice bid!
Sige, nakit tulala na.
$410. $420.
Yeah, we gotta go up.
$430. $440. Another. $450.
$450.
$460. $470.
Wow!
$480. Ay, kailangan ko po pambayad ng car ko. $490. $500. $510. $520. Gusto niyo pong magtinginan muna sa mag-hi kayo sa isa't isa. Ayan.
Isang minuto para kanya na.
$530. $540. $550. $560. $570.
$570.
$580. Hala. Oh, $590. $600. Ala, nagtitingin na sila ng credit card na gamitin. Wala pong credit card. $610, $620.
Wow!
$630.
That's the highest bid na, no, so far.
$640.
Uy, pambayad na yan ng ano.
Wow! Oh my God!
We're doing pretty good with this offer. What I got to sign there?
Keep going. Keep going.
Galing.
$660. $670. $680.
Ate, ano budget mo?